Kaveri, and I'm gonna show how can we set up a table for 3-course meal and how can we clear that table. So let's suppose I have this menu for my restaurant and the guest ordered salad as an appetizer and then chicken on the rocks for a main course and any like ice cream for the dessert. So let's start with the video. I'm gonna show how I set up a table. So this is my dinner fork, and like forks and spoons always goes to left of the table and knives to the right. So this is my dinner fork, dinner knife, and that's my salad fork, salad knife, that's my regular spoon. So that's dessert spoon and the dessert knife. This dish should always be to the top of the plate, and that's my any drink glass of water. That's it. So let's start with the video. Suppose customer ordered salad for the appetizer. Okay. So while serving, always make sure to serve from the right of the customer. Sorry, from the left of the customer. Like this. Whenever the guests done with the meal, they just close the fork and knife like this. Now I'm gonna serve the second chicken on rocks for a main course. Yes. After that, the guest done with the meal, you just cross it like this, and as well spoon. I'm gonna take this. The last one is the dessert, and I'm gonna serve the ice cream as a dessert. So that's my ice cream. First of all, we have to set up the table for the dessert. The spoon and the knife like this. So same for this. Whenever they're done with the meal, they just close that. That's the glass water. Whenever customers like to drink, they can. So that's the end of my video.